Feel like everything is outside your control? News, other people, an inbox that never stops. It can feel overwhelming. But there's one rule the Stoics used for that exact feeling. It doesn't remove problems, but it changes how you meet them. In the next 6 minutes, I'll show you the Stoic dichotomy of control, how to use it in real life, and one simple morning practice you can start today. A client of mine, let's call her Sarah, used to wake up scrolling headlines, then spend the whole morning worrying what others thought of her work. Her mood swung with every message, every comment. By midday, she was drained, frustrated, and less effective. She learned one distinction, and it changed her days. Some things are hers to steer, and some aren't. That distinction is the dichotomy of control. The Stoics, Epictetus, Marcus Aurelius, taught a practical map. Split the world into 2 circles. Inside the circle are things you can control. Outside are things you can't. Inside, your attention, your choices, your effort, your judgments, and your responses. Outside, other people's choices, outcomes, past events, the weather, headlines. Why this helps? When you focus on what you actually control, you stop wasting energy on what you don't. Energy becomes a tool, not a reaction. Important, this is not resignation, it's leverage. You accept what you can't change, and then invest where you can actually move things. Quick example, you get a negative comment on a project. 2 choices appear. Obsess over the comment, imagine the worst, and react emotionally. Or pause and ask, what of this can I actually act on? If the criticism contains something useful, you control your response. Thank them, extract the useful point, and make one small improvement. If it's just noise, you let it pass. The outcome, how others react, is outside your circle. Your response is not. That tiny shift from reacting to choosing is where the Stoic power lives. Now, the practical bit. 3 morning steps you can do in 5 minutes. Try this tomorrow morning. Step 1, 60 seconds. Triage. Take 60 seconds and write 3 things you can control today. Keep them tiny. Like finish first draft, reply to Tom, move for 10 minutes. Not outcomes, actions. Step 2, 90 seconds. Micro commitment. Pick one of those items and commit one small action you will do in the next hour. Make it tiny and specific. Like write 200 words, send 1 email. Small wins build control. Step 3, anchor. Choose an attention anchor when you notice reactivity. A single phrase and a breath. The phrase can be, not mine to control. Breathe in 2 counts, out 4. Then return to your micro task. When upset later, use the anchor. Label the stimulus outside circle. Take 2 breaths and pick one tiny action. That pause rewires habit from reaction to response. Guided 30-second mini practice. Read slowly, count. Close your eyes if you can. Think of one thing that bothered you in the last 24 hours. Say silently, not mine to control. Inhale 2, hold 1, exhale 4. Now name one small action you can take about it. Even if it's just make a note. Open your eyes. That's the practice. Do it each morning for 1 week and notice how much clearer your energy becomes. Recap. The dichotomy of control asks one simple question. What can I actually change? Focus your effort there. 3 morning steps. Triage, 60 seconds. Micro commitment, 90 seconds. And anchor, 60 seconds. Use the phrase, not mine to control, and breathe. If you found this useful, try today's 3-step practice and tell me one small result in the comments. If you only have time for a reminder, watch the 1-minute short. It's a quick reset. For shorts, include the exact CTA below. Start with 1 breath. That's where control begins.